What's really good, people? Welcome back to this brag. How you doing? Hope you're doing great. I have this 2018 Subaru Impreza. Know what I'm saying? And I'm gonna show you how to do the oil change and how to reset the oil life. Alright. Before I jump into that, shouldn't you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna say it again.
Subscribe to the channel.
Do that. Do it now. Join the community channel too. Like, share, and the feedback put in the comment box. Alright, anything you want to say about this car, you like it, you're not, you stuck with it, you're on the lease, you can't wait to change it, let me know. Put it in the comment box. I want to know. Shout outs to my subscribers, to my fans, to my haters. Thank you for the love. Where would I be without you? Thank you to all that. Alright, shout outs to Greenland, the whole world that is watching. Alright, I do it for you. Support my work, support the channel, alright? Let's get us to boom. Gotta do the oil change. Idiot. Come with me. Yeah. Alright, come through here. Give you some light. See the symbol? That's how you open the hood right there. Cool. Idiot. And come through here at the front. There you go. Not much, same old, same design as the other models. Idiot. Let me show you real quick what we got over here. Got the oil filter, you know what I'm saying? The oil engine oil cap. It says 0W20. That means the type of oil you're gonna put in here. That's full synthetic, by the way. Alright, I'm gonna put it right here by the battery. Battery, fuse box, rag. Someone lost that rag. Brake fluid reservoir. Struts, coolant reservoir, radiator cap, oil dipstick, air filter, engine air filter, intake manifold, ABS. Pretty much. Now we're gonna alternator, AC compressor. You see it. That's it. Belt tensioner right here, that one right there, crankshaft. Pretty much. The fans over here, 1, 2, it has 2 fans. Alright, let's get it. Oil change. We come here to the bottom. You see this hole right here? That's the oil drain plug. Alright, let me give you some light. Oil drain plug right there. This is the transmission pan. The pipe and all that, you see goods. Alright, so yeah, we're gonna come through here and do this guy right here. Post, not like that though, but you get the message. And hopefully right there, I don't I don't knock the camera down. All I gotta do for you guys, let me give you some light. Okay. Let me give you some light. Oh, that would be perfect, but I don't have that type of angle. No, I don't. Unless I do it to here. No. No. Right there, maybe. Sheesh. Maybe right there? No? Right there? No? Almost? This should work right there. Huh. Oh, I know. I got you. I got you guys. I got you. I have a longer pulse flashlight for the people. There we go. Now we're talking. I think that's gonna be a if it's not 17, then only God knows. Hope it's not too much flash or light. Yeah, that's gonna be 14mm socket. Okay, 14mm socket coming right up. Ooh. Hopefully that oil, are you ready? You might get wet. You might get wet. Hopefully you don't. It's gonna look like you will. Hopefully not. Hopefully not. I don't think it's gonna shoot that much. We'll see though, but I'm gonna be ready just in case, alright? Just in case you get wet. Okay, I don't think you're gonna get wet though, but I got you guys. Almost there. Ooh. Who give you that? Who give you that angle? Who give you that angle? Only me. You finally only here. Sheesh. And then you get the light. You get the. Come on, dog. It's me. Don't you remember me? It's me. Now I'm gonna let it drain, okay? Because a lot of people are like, yo, there's oil still in there. You didn't drain anything. I'm like, well, if you wanna drain the whole thing till the last drop, pause. What you gotta do is grab some diesel, pour it in the engine where you pour the oil. You put it there. Well, let's say a quarter of a diesel. All right. Put it in there and let the car idle. Okay. Let it idle for a minute. The diesel is gonna rinse whatever is inside the engine. All right. Then remove the drain plug, and you're gonna remove most of the oil. It's up to you if you wanna do that, or if you don't have a diesel. If you don't have diesel fluid, all you gotta do is let the car run, reach the regular temperature. You know what I'm saying? Open loop with the engine hot. You're gonna have to remove this, the oil drain plug, and you might get burned if you know how to do it though. If you don't know how to do it, you might get burned. But if you know how to do it, then you Gucci. Alright. So that's pretty much it for this oil drainage. Wanna tight it, wanna snug it. I'm not gonna go crazy with it, alright? Because a lot of people are like going nuts with this bolt. Nut, whatever, call it bolt, with this oil drain plug. They go crazy. They go Hercules with it. I'm not. Just gonna snug it good. All right, let's get it. Let's go to the top and pour these. Oh, you have a perfect view right there. All right, so I'm gonna grab this. Just like that. You need. Now I'm not gonna open it all the way because I don't want to make a mess around the oil filter. Yiddy. See it right there? Good. I'm gonna do it slowly, alright? Because it's gonna overflow at the bottom if I do it right away. Do you see the oil dropping? Oh, it's good. It went all the way down. Huh. Okay. Huh. This thing was empty or something. Hopefully not. Alright. Now I'm gonna clean it over here. You see what I'm doing. See what I'm doing though. Now like I said, it's gonna take 4.6 0W20. Alright. Hey, don't forget to support the work. Okay, support the channel. Like, share, and comment. Alright. Anything you want to say about this car? Put it in the comment box. I want to see what you think about this car. A lot of people love it though. I'm not gonna deny. I'm not gonna lie. The same way you love it, the same way you hate it. 67356. 67356. 356. Okay. Got the new oil filter. 67356. Now I'm gonna pour the 4.6. Okay. Look at the bottom though. Be careful. Doesn't overflow. Like right here. Okay. So don't pour it too fast. Pour it. Don't pour it too fast. Just like that. Gucci. We Gucci. Okay. Almost there. Yeah. Gucci. Alright. Grab the oil filter. 6753 by Parts Master. Wanna loop this real quick with the same oil, whatever. Put the engine oil cap. That was 0W20 full synthetic oil. Okay, I'm gonna start the car now. I'm gonna let it idle for a minute, so the oil go through the whole system. What was that? Okay, there it goes. That's pretty much it. I'm gonna stop the car. I'm gonna shut it down. Check the level. Remove the oil dipstick. Clean it. It's supposed to be here. Right here, okay? Maguchi? Huh. 4.6 should be fine. Between 4.6 quarts and 5 quarts. Alright. We close everything. Okay. Yep, that's pretty much it. All right, it's between 4.6 quarts and 5 quarts. Okay. Let me know how did it work for you? How it worked out for you? Okay. I'm gonna leave it right here. You know where to find me. All right. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel. Shout outs to Greenland. All right. Shout outs to the whole world. All right, Mexico. You know, the states, all that. You know what I'm saying, Russia too. Shout outs to Russia and everybody that support my work. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the support. Where would I be without you? Thanks to my haters too. All right, I love you. And yeah, catch me in the next one. Axtuo, Burun. I'm out deep. Yeah.